Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error when you're trying to log into your Microsoft account. That's when we said 0x80190001. Okay. The first thing you have to try to fix is to check your time, okay? Just go here, right click, click on adjust date and time. And here, make sure you set this on. Set time zone automatically, set it on. And set time automatically to on. Reset your computer to see if you can still log in. And if you're still having trouble to log in, then you can try this. Just go to your antivirus, right? Open it and try to disable it. Go under virus and threat protection and go under manage settings. Then switch this off, okay? And after you do that, log in to see if it still works. And if you're still having trouble, then you can try this. Go under firewall and go under private network. And under here, switch this off. When you switch off the antivirus and switch off the firewall defender, try to log in. After you log in, then switch this back on, okay? And if that fails too, try to get a VPN. Download a VPN and try to log in under a VPN. And you're done.